सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बर्लिन एक्सप्रेस। और मेरा नाम है मिथिलेश। और फाइनली आज मुझे एक साल जर्मनी में हो चुका है। एंड व्हाट अ वंडरफुल जर्नी, व्हाट अ वंडरफुल टाइम। सो बेसिकली लास्ट ईयर, एक साल पहले, इन मंथ ऑफ जुलाई, I came and landed in Germany in city of Berlin. I came with 3 suitcases, 1 backpack with thousands of emotions, and everything was new. So I was in a new country, a country in which they speak German, which at that time I was not able to speak. Obviously, the language was new, the culture was new, the people were new, and everything was wow. So now after 1 year, I can proudly say that I am really happy here. I want to share some really great moments with you. I want to share my entire 1 year experience with you. But this video will be not just a highlight, but it will be more like a video where I will talk about my struggle, my low points, my high points. So just keep in mind that this video is not just a vlog, it's a story of my life as a student in Germany for 1 year.
कितना ज्यादा अच्छा है यार ये, मतलब लिटरली अभी तक का मतलब।
So guys, let's start with the main part of this video, and let's start with the chapter 1, which is the dream. So my journey started, as I said, in month of July last year in 2024. And the moment I stepped out of the airport in Berlin, the feeling hit me so hard that yes, this is not the dream anymore and I am finally in Germany. And बस एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा कि यार, वो जो एक फीलिंग होती है ना कि आप अपना प्रोसेस कर रहे हो, आप वीजा के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, आप ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, देन एपीएस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन फाइनली आपको वीजा मिल गया और आप फिर फाइनली आ गए हो यहाँ पर। तो वो जो फीलिंग होती है ना, मतलब कुछ टाइम के लिए तो अब मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे लोग रिलेट करेंगे कि फॉर सम मोमेंट्स यू विल नॉट जस्ट रियलाइज दैट यार, इज इट रियली आई एम हियर।
Sorry sir.
So yeah, that was really good. And initially अगर मैं अपना experience बोलूँ, so the first 1 week or 2 weeks is all about documentation. You go for your Anmeldung, you purchase a new SIM, then there is social security, tax ID. All this takes your like first 1 or 2 weeks. So after that it's done, and I can say that after that period, like, your life will be much easier here. You will get to know more different things. Like for me, like how to travel with public transport was really amazing and funny and little difficult also. I mean, there is S-Bahn, there is U-Bahn, then there is bus, train, RE. I see like there are a lot of public transport here in Germany, and all of them are so amazing. Now let's start with the second chapter of this video, which is university life. So for me, I would say like the university which are in India, they are more structured. And when I say structured, it is structured in terms of like the study is bookish. Like they have like set, like we will go through this book and blah blah blah. And their study pattern is different from Germany. Here in Germany, what they do is like the professors are very chill. First of all, I would say not so strict. They will make you more independent. Like their focus is on more like on research and like group projects. So it's not like just like we will come here, go through line by line from a textbook. No, it's more like group discussions, projects, and research, which I find really good. The other thing, for personally, if I want to say, like my university experience was not up to the mark, and the university is not so good, not so bad, but yeah, it is what it is. The other thing, just if you are watching till here, I will say that there is one thing which is really important for new students who are planning to come to Germany. And I want to share one specific suggestion from my side after spending 1 year, which is related to university and your future life in Germany, is something which is important, but I will not talk about that now. I will talk about in the last section of the video. So please watch it till there, because that will help you and save you a lot of money.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
So that's it. And now let's go to the next chapter. So guys, let's talk about the third chapter of this video, which is part times. सभी का फेवरेट पार्ट, जो स्टूडेंट्स बेसिकली जो आते हैं यहाँ पर, बहुत सभी के माइंड में कुछ कुछ आइडियाज होते हैं, कुछ टारगेट्स होते हैं. व्हेन आई आल्सो केम लास्ट ईयर, आई आल्सो हैड सम स्पेसिफिक टारगेट्स दैट आई नीड टू अर्न दिस मच, आई नीड टू save this much, and then this and that. And in short, if I want to share about my part-time experience in Germany in last 1 year, so I started in like working in restaurants, working in music events backstage, and then at the end also I have also worked in DHL warehouse. Currently I do a mini job in a logistics paper company. So overall I would say it's good. Also working in different part-times and mini jobs, it gives you a lot of like different experience also. But yeah, overall it's really good, and I would suggest if you guys are watching this video from India or anywhere outside Germany, please start learning German. It will really help you, and once you come here with like B1 or B2 like German language, it will really help you in getting like better and less physical jobs. So that's all about, I would say, about like part-times experience and blah blah blah. And if you really want to like get my entire experience and the things which I like have experienced, then you can watch this video. In this I have like talked about all my part-times and how much I used to earn like per hour and stuff. So go check that video out. And yeah, so now let's go to the fourth chapter of this video, which will be like finances and budget and how much you can basically save. So if you are like living in as a student in city like Berlin, so basically आपका जो एक average rent होगा, that will be around 400. Then there will be health insurance 130 to 150. Then there is your groceries that will cost you around 100 to 150. So अगर आप like मोटा मोटा एक हिसाब पकड़ के चलो तो आपका around like 6 to 700 max to max. If अगर आप shared accommodation में रह रहे हो तो लग सकता है, और अगर आप private में रह रहे हो तो it's around like 7 to 800. So basically even if आप अगर यहाँ पर part time कर रहे हो तो you can like manage your expenses, और अगर नहीं तो आप अपने block account के पैसे से भी अपने जो भी expenses हैं यहाँ पर manage कर सकते हो. And in this expenses I'm not including like tuition fee, which a lot of students pay after coming here, so that's like a different story. I will not go into that much, but yeah, over time I would say यहाँ पे रहने के बाद ना बेसिक से जब आप स्टार्टिंग में आते हो तो इट्स लाइक एवरीथिंग इज न्यू, एवरीथिंग लुक्स लाइक एक्सपेंसिव, इट स्टिल लुक्स लाइक एक्सपेंसिव, बट नाउ आई कैन से दैट आई नो लाइक क्या चीज कहाँ से खरीदनी है कि आपको कम पैसे में मिल जाए. सो वो चीज आपको टाइम टू टाइम ही पता चलेगा, और वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पहले दिन आओगे सब पैसे एकदम प्रो हो गए, मास्टर हो गए. सो नो, दैट्स लाइक दैट टेक्स टाइम एंड यू विल लर्न इट, इट्स फाइन. So guys, अभी तक मैंने different topics के बारे में बात किया है, and those are like divided into 5 chapters. Now I'm gonna talk about the 6th chapter, which will be really difficult for me because that chapter is the hardest moments in Germany for me as a student. So basically आपको ये भी एक चीज समझनी है, because ये मैंने भी feel किया है. It's like when you come here as a student, it's not like आपके सारी जो moments है, आपके सारी जो चीजें हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा colorful होंगी, आपको बहुत ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है, सारी चीजें आपकी smooth जाएंगी. No, there will be some really great moments and there will be really some moments which will make you feel so down, and at that time you have to understand that it's just a part of life and it's a learning process, and that experience will also give you a lot to learn. So for me, I would just share one small story. So at the end of the last year, I was working in DHL, and the shifts were like really late in the night, and the shift used to be happening around like 11 or 12 in the night. So I had to leave the home around like 8. सो मैं 4 आवर्स पहले मुझे ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था, और फिर आने में भी 2-3 घंटे लगते थे. तो एक टाइम पे आपको ये फील होने लगता है कि यार ये जो मैंने डिसीजन लिया है, घर वालों से इतना दूर आना, एक सर्टेन बिग अमाउंट इतना इन्वेस्ट करना अपने स्टडी के लिए जर्मनी में, क्या इट इज ऑल वर्थ इट और नॉट. सो मुझे उस टाइम पे, मैं लिटरली अगर अपनी चीजें शेयर करूँ तो मुझे लाइक प्रॉपर मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन हो गया था उस टाइम पे. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल फॉर मी एज पर्सनली. लाइक आप जब ऐसा कुछ काम करने लगते हो तो आप लाइक अपने मील को मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हो, आप अपना खुद का ध्यान नहीं रख पाते हो, एंड things starts getting difficult for you. But yeah, I know for me it was like a experience, and yes, it took me a lot of time to come out of it also. So guys, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा deep वाली बातें हो गई, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे शेयर कर दी like hardest moments. So yeah, downfall और अच्छी चीज़ें बुरी चीजें आपके साथ होंगी, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. But now I'm gonna talk about the chapter 7, in which is the best moments so far in Germany for me. So for me, like, there are top 5 things which I really wanted to share with you, and also they are just so good for me and as like experience also. So the first thing which happened like till last year, I would say, was I started like helping students in getting accommodations also. In that way, I helped over 60 students, and it was really a great experience knowing lot of students from different parts of India. Some were from Pakistan also, some were from Bangladesh also, and it felt so good to know different stories of students, how they are coming, which course are they gonna do here. And they're just like, I really like to connect to people, and like just connecting to these people and trying to help them. And finally, when some of them used to like come to me, or like we used to meet, and they used to say that, oh, we are like happy with the apartment, everything is going good, and thank you so much for helping us initially. So that really used to make me feel really good about myself and for them also. So it was good. The second thing I want to share was like watching the WWE live event, which you can see here. I really I made a video about it also, and here you can see there is a clip me talking to some German guys who were as passionate as me for what, wrestling. I know it's scripted, but yeah, it is hell of a entertaining thing. So it was really good for me and like amazing. Like हम लोग ऐसा बचपन में ना जब देखते हैं टीवी में, क्या देख रहे रैंडी ऑर्टन को देख रहे हैं, सीएम पंक को देख रहे हैं, बट seeing them performing live was something, oh my god, I can't forget that moment and that feeling. The other thing I would say, the cruise thing which I took from Germany to like Sweden and Helsinki, that was, oh my god, like cruise ship भाई, वो एक्सपीरियंस ही बहुत तगड़ा था. मतलब मजा ही आ गया था. आप लाइक क्रूज से जा रहे हो, I would suggest पैसे थोड़े से सेव करो बट जाओ. It doesn't cost so much also, but yeah, the experience is worth it. The other thing I would say यार, as a student ना, हम लोग के लिए यहाँ पर खासकर cities like Berlin, it's really easy to enjoy life. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे open music events होते हैं, like बहुत सारे ऐसे events होते हैं जो आप like free of cost जाके बस like attend कर सकते हो, enjoy कर सकते हो अपना time. बाकी last चीज एक मैं ये बोलूंगा, जो highlight था last year का, वो था the event Lollapalooza. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. तो हुआ ये कि मैं बैक स्टेज में उस टाइम पे काम करता था, तो जो टिकटें 300-400 यूरो की हैं भाई, वो आपका फ्री में देख कर आया, क्योंकि मैं वहां पे काम भी करता था. उससे पहले पूरा इवेंट देख लिया. सो दैट वाज आल्सो really good and I really enjoyed that. So that was the best moment for me so far. So yeah. So now guys, I want to talk about chapter 8, which is important for me and for viewers also who are watching this video. So the chapter name is How I Changed. So basically this was me. You can see here, this was me before coming here 1 year ago. I was nervous, I was a little bit underconfident also in some situations or things, but now I can proudly say that now I am more confident, I am more sure about the things which I do. Yes, still I make some mistakes, but now I know how to handle them. So overall बस यही बोलूँगा कि अब यहाँ आना ऐसा नहीं लगता कि यार ये कोई मिस्टेक हो गई या शायद कुछ और डिसीजन लिया होता तो ज्यादा बेटर होता. नहीं, आई एम स्टिकिंग टू द डिसीजन विच आई टुक 1 year ago, and I am still will say that yes, it is one of the best decision of my life so far. And if I can somehow use a time machine and go back to the time and just meet the Mithilesh who was coming to Germany 1 year ago, so I just want to hug him and just say that, bro, you made it so far, you did good, and you will do good in future also, because there are some great people, and one great people is holding the camera right now, and that person is really important and very special for me also. The other persons are in India, my family and my friends. They are also like very supporting for entire journey, and like yeah, the journey is still incomplete, I would say. There is a lot to learn, there is a lot to see, but yeah, we will do that together, and I will try to share as much as I can with you guys also. So yes. So guys, now I want to start the second last chapter of this video, which is really important. Why? Because it is not for me or not my experience, but it is for you guys who are watching this video, and especially for those new students who are planning to come to Germany or still planning to go to any country abroad. So guys, specifically I will talk about Germany because I live in Germany. So देखो दो तीन चीजें जो मैं like clearly आपको कहना चाहता हूँ और बोलूंगा कि यार ये अगर आपने कर लिया ना तो आपकी जो जर्मनी में जो लाइफ है for like current life and like in the longer run also it will be really good and awesome for you. So first चीज जो आपको करनी है वो ये करनी है कि when you are planning to come to Germany, learn basic German. It's not something which you should come in Germany and then start. No, I also learned like basic German from India and I came here and I used to talk little bit to different Germans like you can see here and it was really good. ठीक है, आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा इंडिया से ही जब आप आ रहे हो कि यार हाँ ठीक है आई कैन होल्ड सम कन्वर्सेशन इन जर्मन. द सेकेंड थिंग इज अगर आप जर्मनी में आकर जर्मन लैंग्वेज पे काम करते हो यू विल गेट बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यू विल मेक बेटर फ्रेंड्स, you will just your normal life will be extraordinary. That's too much but that's the truth also. Okay, and the other thing is personally अगर मैं अपना experience से बोलूँ so far I have done like B1 from Goethe Institute. Exam was pretty good and I can like from my personal experience say that like now I am getting better opportunities in terms of Nebenjobs which are like part-time or mini job kind of thing. It's not like typical corporate work, but yeah, it's good for initially as a student to work somewhere. Okay. The other thing which is really important, which I shared in the starting of the video, which is important for the new students is, guys, आप ना यहाँ पर बहुत सारे public universities है जर्मनी में, बहुत सारे जब मैं कह रहा हूँ ना बहुत सारे, literally बहुत सारे. They have their own website, universities, this, that, like you can apply directly to them. And for me, I would directly say this time one mistake which I did was I didn't even try to apply to this public universities and that costed me a lot of money. So I would say there are lot of public universities. If you're like just make this private universities your last option. First try to like get admitted to this public universities. It will help you in long run so much, trust me, because मेरे जैसे और भी बहुत सारे students यहाँ पर आ जाते हैं. It's not like I'm saying that private universities are not good, but in most cases what I have heard from other students is they didn't even try it, and when they come here either they change it after 1 year or 2 year or they don't change it and they just had to like pay the entire fees and the fees is like a lot. बाकी ये भी बोलूंगा कि यार आप ना अपने घर वालों से बहुत दूर आ रहे हो, ठीक है, तो स्ट्रांग रहना है आपने और कभी ये नहीं सोचना है कि यार ये डिसीजन सही नहीं था, क्या था नहीं था. आप आ जाओ यहाँ पे बट एक ओपन माइंड के साथ आओ कि यार सारी चीजें अच्छी भी होंगी और अगर कुछ चीजें अच्छी नहीं हो रही है ना तो स्ट्रांग रहना है हमने, ठीक है. तो ये चीज है. बाकी 1 year, 1 country, 1 vision of me that's grown in ways I never imagined. So guys, thank you to everyone who has been part of my journey and thank you for watching it. Subscribe if you are planning your Germany dream or just want to see me where life takes me next. This is just the beginning.